I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Rooftop Botanist. I have been late for the update, but I am showing you this growth of my plants. These plants are actually 1 month and a week old, and this is the red spinach and the green spinach one. And if you can see, this is very good growth. And the box said actually it will take 1, 2 or 3 months. So 1 month it will sprout, and second month it will grow, and on the third month it will be ready for harvest. So it is now ready for harvest for a little bit, but I am not going to do it because in the future it will be very good. Right now it is like 6 to 8 inches long, and you can see the growth is very nice. So this is not a good point to harvest. If I harvest it now, it will be like too small, but after some time it will be very beautiful. And I am hoping to get like 1 to 2 kgs of red spinach and green spinach. So I'll keep you updated. Let's stay together and see for the best. It was raining for the past 3 to 4 days, but right now the sky is clear and the sun is up. So I'll keep you updated for the future views, and subscribe for more